Hello everyone. So today we'll see how to create Pandas DataFrame in multiple ways. So let us open our Jupyter notebook, and we have opened and now creating a new notebook file, and I'm writing it that Pandas tutorial. Okay, so let us import Pandas first. Import Pandas as PD, and our Panda has been imported. So first creating Pandas DataFrame. So from a list. So let us create a blank data frame first. So how to create the blank data frame? So df equal to pd dot data frame. Okay, so if I execute this, it will create a blank data frame. So now you see it is blank and empty. So now I am creating a data frame from a list. Okay, so first creating a employee list employee data equal to, okay, so I have first create a list, and under this list I will create multiple list. So first is name, so Mr. okay Narayan, and his salary, I'm creating a salary of 60,000. Now his status is active. Okay, then I'm creating another list, Cash, and his salary is 70,000. Now he has resigned, employee. Okay, now I am creating another list. List is Pooja, and the salary is 90,000, is on notice. Okay, now we have created a list. Then what we need to do? We will do df1 equal to, as we have created first df, so df1 equal to pd dot data frame. Then we'll pass the employee data. Now our data frame has been created. So if I print the data frame, it will show data frame data frame 1. So it is showing that all the details, but there is no column names. So how do I put the column names? So then what we need to create column names equal to, first will employee name, second is salary, is status. Okay, so we have created a list for the column. Then we'll create the data frame again, pd.dataframe, and then we'll put the employee list, employee data, and then columns equal to call names. Okay, and if I execute, now you can see df2, and now you see the column names are showing. So if I print the df.info, now you see that column names are showing here. So right now I will create data frame from a tuple. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create the same employee data 2, and I'll put share. So I'm first creating a tuple, and under the tuple I'm creating multiple tuple. Okay, so then I am writing the same way. So because and salary is 80,000, and he's actually resigned, and then again Mr. Kaushik and salary is 80,000. No, it's 90,000. And he's active, and then Lija, and her salary is 1 lakh, and then he's active again. Active. Okay, so we have created a tuple, and then we'll create the same way. So div 3 equal to pd dot data frame, and then we'll pass the employee data 2, and also same way the call name column equal to call names, because otherwise it will show that without column name. So df3, if I print, and now you see that Vikas and Mr. Kaushik and Lisa. So now we'll create the data frame, creating data frame from a dictionary. Okay. So we'll create the dictionary employee data 3, and we'll first assign the dictionary. So here we need to give the name here. So first is that employee name, and then we put the semicolon clone here, sorry, and we'll put all the names. So Kaushik and Suresh and Raju and Indrani. Okay, and then we'll tell their salary. So salary column is there, and now you create a salary. So 56,000. Okay, now 78, now 35, now 90. So for salary has been created. Then the status. We need to create the status, and now need to put active, resigned, on notice, inactive, inactive. Okay, so our data dictionary has been created now. So we need to create the df4 equal to pd dot data frame, and then we'll put the employee data 3, and we'll execute. Now if I say and df4, and now that you have seen that data has been, that employee list has been created. So you have seen that how we have created from a list, from a tuples, from a dictionary. Now the last part is that create data frame from CSV. Okay, so there is df5, I think, and now pd read CSV. Now I have put an CSV here, so tutorial in that superstore. So I'll copy the link, that URL, and then I'll put this one, the name of the file again, and .csv. And now you see we have created, and let us execute. And now you see that our data has been come here. So data is showing. So in this, now I have shown you that how you can create data in multiple ways, create data frame in multiple ways.